manifold.
This is beautiful.
Yeah.
All this bullshit for one bolt.
Yeah.
That turbo, hold on. Are you ready for the Rev 9? Yeah, baby. Fixing some strip bolts on the turbo. Street factory certified.
Okay. It's barely a pie cut. What?
Is the thermostat to open up?
Yeah. Like you can see all the work. Woo. Oh, it sounds good, right?
Yeah.
Sounds different?
Yeah, it does sound different. Oh, jeez.
What's your oil pressure?
Huh? 81.
Oh, perfect.
Battery's good.
Yo, it sounds quiet.
It does.
Is it usually this quiet?
Nah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if it's because that's what I was saying. I was like, are my tires spinning or something? It sounds just weird, like quiet, you know?
Oh, very quiet.
Yeah, there you go. It's on.
Very good.
You happy, Sonic? Ready to go again?
Bring it to like
Maybe that red one can reach, not the blue one though. All right, real quick. This is the aftermath. These are the old headers. This is major. This was made of Schedule 10. Real strong, can hold like 22 pounds of boost. Going back to log manifold, definitely. That's exactly how it's gonna look. I had to buy this piece, and it came with that pipe. It was like 90 bucks from SpeedyRacer.com. That's also where I got my turbo from. Let's see what else. This is how it goes, just so you guys can see. Dump tube, it has to go down and then to the right. So this has to be pressed in a little bit. Yep, and then to the right, and it should fit perfect. I already pretty much have it measured it out. I won't be using this pipe. Don't need it. This is the old down pipe. So you guys can see. I want to take this and I want to chop this and put the V-band on top of this. I might be using this thing again so you guys can see what that is right there. It's a 2.5 to 3 inch. Take that and then put that on the other end. Well, this is 2.5, so I'm gonna have to probably chop this a little bit. Get my boy Marcos to weld it on right over here. Make it V-bend so it's so much easier. The only thing that sucked about this whole thing was pretty much this thing right here, which is this. Look what I have to do to this thing. Let's see if I can show you. Let this thing focus real quick. Size 17, and because I put these washers inside there, this thing was mad annoying. Had to remove my drain, had to cut this so it could fit inside there. Milwaukee for the win, and use a light. But yeah, this is the aftermath. That manifold I'm going to sell. Definitely going back to log. I need my AC, and yeah, just giving you guys an update. See what it looks like. Okay, real quick, just give you guys some extra information. If you guys are ever trying to spin this top, you need to get a small flathead like this. Inside there, you see when it focuses, those are the grooves. And literally on top, there's some flaps right here that you have to push down, and that locks right inside there. So when I first got it, there was one flap that was down. I just had to pick it up, and I was able to turn the whole entire top, just so you guys know. Besides that, this Turbo Smart, you can screenshot that if you want real quick. That Turbo Smart thing came with 4 different springs, and they actually go in size order. It's a 3, a 5, a 7, and then a 14. Sometimes they make a mistake and they actually don't color them. This one actually had some color on it. The one that was inside the wastegate actually had some color on it. But it actually goes by size. You'll see that the 3 is the smallest, then the 5 is a little bit bigger, then the 7 is a little bit bigger, and then the biggest one is the outer spring, which is a 14. So because I'm going to do 12 pounds myself, hold on a second. Lock this thing on focus. There you go. Because I'm going to do 12 pounds myself, I took the 5 and there was already a 7 inside. So right now, these are my old ones from generation 4. There's a 3, a 5, and then a 10 right there. I ended up selling the wastegate already. It was a 7. And when you buy the Turbo Smart kit, these are the things that it comes with. These flanges, this thing, and this tool. Okay, and if I didn't mention, this is the paint that I used. Okay. Get it at AutoZone.